Okay, let us now learn about annotative dimensions. So as you can see here in our viewports, we don't have dimensions yet. And what we would want is for us to be, for example, when you change the scale, change the scale to 1:5 or 1:4, then we want the dimensions to adjust accordingly, because it would be very tedious if we need to change them every time we change a scale. Okay, so let's go to the model space first, the graphics window, and then let's press D, the command line for dimension style, and let's create a new dimension style. So just click on new, and then let's name it dimension anno. So, and then you can just start with the ISO. And the most important thing here is you toggle this annotative checkbox. So if you do that, it will be annotative. And let's go. So let's just modify some few units. So instead of comma, period, and decimal, and then in the fit tab, you must click this annotative must be checked. And as for the text, let's just leave it as standard. And then so those are the important things to make it annotative. And then if you press OK and then close. Okay, so let us now so make sure that in here in the annotation drop down, you can see here that your style is the one selected. And then let's create some dimensions. Okay, 80. Okay, so we have our dimensions, and let's go back to the layout space, the paper space. Okay, so if you go here, as you can see, we have right here our annotations, and then you need to activate these add scales to annotative objects when the annotation scale changes. So you need to turn that on. Okay, so let's change the scale and see what happens. So as you can see, it automatically adjusted. The annotations are still visible even though the drawing is already very small. Okay, so let's try 1:2. So it automatically adjusted. 1:1. Okay. So how about scale to fit? Okay. And let's say 1:8. So still the same thing, although it's not ideal anymore if this is the case, but I just have to look for the right scale and it will adjust accordingly. Okay, so that's it for annotative dimensions. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos.